Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yup, I am at another junkyard and you won't believe this place because this looks like junkyard of the underground. This is your hardcore junkyard. Like, this is where you don't wear really good clothes, you don't wear good shoes, nothing, because you're gonna come out of here slimy, dirty, oily, and yeah, hopefully you find the part that you need. But in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Share, like, leave a comment down below. And we're gonna walk around because this seems to be my go-to place for last resort for car parts. So this place is, it's dirty, it's muddy, it's oily, and dangerous. Some of these cars, man, it's just, this is what I mean by it. This looks like the junkyard from hell. This place has been here for decades. I've been coming here ever since I was a teenager, as long as I can remember. And they'll still pull the part out for you, man, if you want them to. Places here in New York. And it's actually, this is dry here right now. Everything looks like a swamp. Looks like the cars were, before they were just literally thrown in here. I mean, they were stacked on top of each other. It was crazy. But now this is a little bit more organized than it normally is. I'm looking something for my truck. Maybe I'll find it, maybe I won't. But this is like an old school junkyard. I mean, there's things here that have been embedded into the ground that will probably never come out. Not the most sanitary place either. V8 Titan. Here's your typical New York rust. This one came in February of this year. Oh, leather interior. Yuck. I mean, like, people leave everything in their cars. Cigarette packs, disposable plates, cups. Somebody had asthma. Ketchup packets. Man. There used to be another one here. Well, it's still here, but they used to have cars that have been sitting here since like the 50s. But unfortunately, like last year, they really cleaned everything out. It was cool seeing the really old cars with like the trees growing out of them, and you know, I mean, even some of them here, you can tell they've been here a long time. I mean, look at this one. I gotta watch where I step. I might not come back. Like, look at this. This has been here so long. It's growing moss. I mean, I don't know why they still have this here, why they're even keeping it. I don't see anything really salvageable out of it. I mean, it's rotted to beyond belief. The motor's out of it. It's all crunched up. Whew. But one other thing too, if this video stops, I'm sorry, because I don't have much power left in my GoPro right now, so I'm trying to make one last video for you guys for today. So if it all of a sudden quits, I'm apologizing now. Well, this was a nice Colorado. I ripped the suspension out of it, part of it. I mean, it's still in relatively decent shape by New York State standards. Jeez. Well, I mean, it actually still smells good in here. Shockingly. Somebody went through the glove box. Oop. And this still smells like cherries. Gotta check my power here. How much do I have left? I have no idea. What? Ooh, dropped my keys. That would have been bad. That would have been really bad. I would have never found them in here. You can hear the throughway in the background. Oh, the ambulance. You'll find a lot of stuff like that here. There used to be a lot of cop cars in that when they switched them over from the Crown Vics. A lot of them wound up here. Kind of cool to see an old ambulance with some weeds growing into it. Mother Nature slowly starting to take it over. And some of these, I mean, there's ripped in half like that. Gee. This place you definitely got to look to see where you're walking. Because you trip and fall in here, you're going to break something or you're going to rip something open. Some Explorers and things like that. And this is what I mean by you can tell they've been here for quite a while. Jeez. Yeah, this place is dangerous as hell to walk around sometimes. When they had the cars really stacked up on each other, I really didn't like coming here. Then it really used to worry me. Because I would come here sometimes and pull parts off and it just wasn't safe at all. Old sport track. See, this is what always happened to them. This is how bad New York State is. Look at that. It just rots out. Because where the bolts to the bumper right here, the covering, there's no drainage and they use really bad hardware that rusted out real quick. So that's what rotted them out. Oh, Lincoln Navigators. Here's one that's all ripped up. Jeez. This one, I don't know if this was an accident or they just cut it open. I mean, the upper frame rail is just way out here. Yeah, this one definitely hit something. I don't know what the heck it hit, man, but it almost took the whole top off like a sardine can. Wow, look at that. And that looks like some blood marks right there. So yeah, that's considered a biohazard here here in New York. So if we didn't make it, hey, things happen in life. Here's another one that's all smashed to heck. Look at the condenser. You can see all the individual cooling things on it. And smacked up pretty good. Yeah. I mean, some parts to be saved out of it. Yeah, but these little trucks got a bug on me. They're a dime a dozen. I mean, look at this place, man. It'd take you forever to clean this place up. I mean, there's escapes. I mean, you're always going to find them in the junkyards here because they just rot out. They're disposable. Just like those little Jeeps. They're just garbage from the get-go. I mean, this place is not this. When it gets really bad, the holes, this is what they do. They just fill them in with stone and old brick and whatever they can get their hands on. Jeez. Now these Toyota 4Runners, these old ones, they still hold their value here. I mean, this one, shockingly, is not really rotted. I mean, it's not hit. I don't know what year it is. Find out in a second. 2002. Cobwebs all over the place. Spider webs. See if it'll tell me the mileage. No, it's digital. Smells old. It's been sitting around. I mean, maybe the motor went on it. I don't know. And that's unusual. I mean, it's not all rotted out or anything. Yeah, the old 4Runner. Yeah, they had a couple of them here. Huh. But this one, I mean, that's, if you get to it fast enough, you can still save it. I mean, you're definitely not gonna really find anything like high-end in this place either. No. Man, the curtains are down. Someone's sleeping. Another one that's all smashed to heck. Or Nissan. The insurance companies here, they will total them off fast. The passenger and driver's side airbag is deployed. Here, it's considered junk. I mean, they won't bother to, you know, they'll just total them out. But you can tell some of these cars are pretty new. They're just smashing them in there. Place has been making money for years. I mean, look at it, man. It's just... cars have been in here forever. Not what I think that is. I'm going this way. Because I already know my feet are all nasty and dirty. I don't care. Doing this for you guys. Oh, Nissan Jukes or something like that, I think it is. Oh, this place is a mud pit. Oh, look at that, all the motors that they core out of them. Yeah, this is where it gets bad, man, when you're walking around in here. Look at this place. Jeez. Hitting the back end. It's a Nissan Cube. Yeah, somebody put a little body kit on it or something. I don't know if that's factory. I really never paid much attention to these. It says it runs. Oh boy. Minnie Mouse seat covers. Yeah, definitely some girl owned it. I mean, it smells really good in here. I mean, it's probably hit on on that side, judging by the airbags. But the dashboard is just funky. Look at the shape of that. Yeah, I'm not walking all through the mile. Try and get over here, but it was hit, but not hard. Yeah, getting out of here without getting muddy and wet. Good luck. Yeah, this is what I mean by, this. Yeah, that's a pond, and you can tell these cars have been sitting in there for a little while. Jeez. Trying to get out of here without killing myself. It's going to be a miracle. I'm going to trip and fall. You might use me and fill me in with one of the holes. Oh, jeez. What do I mean by it? Junkyard of the underground, man. Junkyard now, this is what I call it. It's always been like this. It's really never been clean. And they keep all the stone right there, like all those rocks and all that from the buildings being torn down so they can fill the holes. No plow. Nissan Rogue. Wow, old Camaro. Or is it a Firebird? I'll let you know in a minute. Get over there. Yeah. They really cut this car up the center. Yeah, it's an old Camaro with T-tops. Probably like a 79, 80 maybe. 78. I had a 1980 when I was in high school. Loved that car. A lot of guys who have cars like that, and they get out of high school and some years later they want the car they went to high school in. I wouldn't mind getting my hand on another one, but it's got to be a clean one. Jeez. And let's see where I'm at for time here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one here, guys, because I'm running out of battery power. So, and I need to look and see where I'm going here before I fall on my face. So please subscribe, like, share, give it a big fat thumbs up, leave a comment down below what you thought of this video, what you liked, what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.